Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Friday morning, it is the 18th day of May, and at 3:55 in the morning, well, the rain has stopped now, but it was raining here just a little while ago. Not enough to register on the rain gauge. Talk about feast or famine yesterday. Some of you had intense tropical downpours in your town, and really good rainfall totals, and other towns, like for instance, much of the Montgomery area was missed by the big storms yesterday. Some counties got clobbered. You know, Lowndes County had a good storm, and then there was some trees and power lines down in places like Coffee County, Dale County. So what about today? And what about the weekend forecast? I have an update for you on that. And what about that tropical system that could be affecting the southeastern United States perhaps on Memorial Day weekend? I'm going to show you three models, one farther to the east, one in the middle, and one farther to the west. And plus, let's start with this map here, showing you why the atmosphere is so unsettled right now. This is why the atmosphere has been so unsettled the last few days. That trough of low pressure right over us remains stuck in place. It will be there for several more days, apparently. This is exactly opposite to the ridge of high pressure that was around for 7 days. It gave us 90-plus degree heat. So more showers and thunderstorms get going today, especially this afternoon and this evening. But even in the nighttime hours, as I make this, showers and thunderstorms are a generous supply here in central Alabama in the middle of the night. Now, this is later today on Future Radar. Showers and thunderstorms get a good start in the afternoon heating. There will be some intense downpours in spots, tropical downpours, and other towns may stay dry. Just like yesterday, scattered showers and thunderstorms with a high around 87. Tonight's low 69. Another very humid day with west winds 4 to 8 miles per hour today. Tomorrow, I've got the rain chances at 30%. That's generous, but I may have to rethink that. It's not going to be a washout, but there'll be some scattered showers and storms around from time to time, perhaps a little bit more numerous on Sunday afternoon and on Monday afternoon, where I've got the rain chances closer to 50-50. And still, even on a day like that, not everybody gets wet. Tuesday, the trough is in place and more showers and storms, and that continues on Wednesday as well. So this pattern is not going to change and maybe continuing right on through the Memorial Day weekend. How much rain? Well, east central counties could see more than an inch of rain over the next few days, less than an inch in the southwestern counties, and the heaviest rain over in Georgia and up into the Carolinas. Hopefully, this rain will take care of the drought situation. New drought monitor map showing a stage 1 and stage 2 drought covering much of east central and southeast Alabama and south Alabama. So we'd like to get some more raindrops in here. I've got the rain chances scattered tomorrow in the 30% range. That may be too low. Near 90 Saturday and Sunday, with better rain chances on Sunday and Monday, and the chance of scattered showers and storms continuing in the forecast Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll look at GFS temperatures. It's got near 90 on Saturday and Sunday. I think that's correct. It knocks us down a few degrees in the early part of next week before we warm up towards Friday as the Memorial Day weekend starts. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. I'm generous here. I'm giving a 30% chance of showers and storms on Friday, Saturday, and a 40% chance Sunday. That's not a bad beach forecast with a Gulf water temperature now at 81 degrees and daily high temperatures right around 84. Hey, what about that tropical system coming out of the Caribbean? We'll look at three models. Here's the American GFS showing what could be a tropical storm, Alberto perhaps, along the southeast coast of Florida. Friday night, May 25th, as the Memorial Day weekend starts. The European is a little farther west and a little weaker. It's got a low in central Florida on Saturday morning at 7 a.m. on the 26th. And the Canadian is farthest to the west. It's got a nice-looking system just south of Apalachicola on Friday night. That could have an effect on our weather. We'll see if that model is correct. So we've got time to watch this. Three different models with three different solutions on what could happen with this tropical system. Boy, and talk about model madness. I just showed you three models, but there's actually several more models. I looked at the Navy model this morning, the UK Met, the Japanese models. I just didn't want to overwhelm you. We'll keep an eye on that developing situation because it involves the Memorial Day weekend and it could affect a lot of plans for a lot of people. There'll be no video tomorrow because it's Saturday, but even on Saturday and Sunday morning, I get up very early and produce a blog update with some fresh information for you. I can do a blog in about 1/3 of the time that a video takes. And of course, my forecast, whenever you wanted across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. The weather never takes a day off. And we'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Hope you join us. Have a great day and a nice weekend. And I'll have some more information for you bright and early in the morning. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.